Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to delete transaction history from your Google Pay application. But in few days back, this application is called as Google Test. So what is the use of this application? And this app will help you to transfer your money from your mobile to your friend's bank account. And nowadays, this is the one of the best UPI application in India. But there is no special option is available to delete this transaction histories. Only way is you can delete your details from your Gmail account. So how to do it? And this method almost works for all Android and iOS devices. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, I try to open my Google application via my new Android mobile and then complete your login or sign up processes. So now in this section, you can press more option and it is placed at the bottom and then go to settings. So in settings section, you can select accounts and privacy and it is placed under the search section. So here also it shows lots of options, but you can select my activity and the third one, and then it starts to verify my Gmail account informations. And also this page is opening via my phone browser. So on here you can see, so it shows some topics and these are the topics are searched by me. So Google is very smart because it shows my entire histories. But if you want to delete this histories, so in this section you can press that horizontal line icon and it is placed at the almost top of left side, and then select delete activity by and the third option. So one more Google page is opening. So now in this product section you can select Google Apps, but here I try to delete my entire histories. So I try to select all product and then select delete by date as all time. So once you select all the things are correctly, just press delete option. But if you want to delete Google Pay histories only, now in this product section you can select Google Pay only. So finally you can select delete option and then it asks for confirmation. So you can press delete. So finally it shows deleted all activity, and this method works very smoothly. But due to the time consumption, I finished up my tutorial. So this is the way you can easily remove your Google Pay transaction histories by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.